Best deals. All of these cleaning accessories effectively clean the dead corners and stains. Multifunctional scrubbing flow brush is durable and does not hurt the surface of the object, also ideal for cleaning crevice, seams, and other small, difficult to clean areas. Durability ensures long-term use, making it a reliable choice for all your cleaning needs. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Scrub brushes. The top triangular large brush head mainly cleans corners, and other corners, with hard bristles, so that stains have to hide, can penetrate into the slide rail to clean the stains. It is stable even if it is brushed with water or detergent. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steam cleaner and mop. Ergonomic handle with adjustable height, foldable design, and swivel functionality. Steam for effective home cleaning, requiring no harsh chemicals, making it ideal for families with children and pets. Steam clean carpets, rugs and upholstery. Remove dried-on messes from microwaves, ovens, sinks, countertops and more. Cleans floors and furniture. Upholstery for comprehensive cleaning. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fan cleaner. Made up of strong microfiber for efficient dirt removal and durable usage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cleaning mop. Design ensures effective flow mopping by allowing for effortless storage and hassle-free cleaning in difficult-to-reach places. The wheel mop bucket may be easily moved about thanks to its attached wheels, which reduce strain when cleaning big areas. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cleaning brush. It's designed to get into difficult-to-reach places in the shower, ideal for cleaning the tile floor, corners, baseboards, grooves and tight space. Sturdy steel long handle lets you really bear down. It saves you back and makes cleaning the shower much easier. The rotating neck is perfect to get into narrow space or crevice for deep cleaning. It really helps if you can't get down on your knees to clean. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cleaning mop and brush set. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Flexible flat flow mop. Suitable for all kinds of smooth surfaces including tiles, wood, hardwood, laminate, concrete, stone floors, and glass windows. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaning brush. Bristles are used for scrubbing the floor, wall, window. After brushing the floor, you can easily scrape off the sewage with the rubber squeegee. The upgraded rotating brush head design allows the rotating head to be locked at any angle to avoid shaking left and right during cleaning and meet your different cleaning angles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cleaning brush. Features a unique design with a toilet brush, wiper, and scrubbing head in one versatile tool, perfect for efficient bathroom cleaning. Ideal for removing stains, soap scum, and grime from toilets, bathtubs, and sinks. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mini mop. Built to withstand regular use, ensuring dependable performance over time. The sleek design of the mini mop for kitchen makes it easy to maneuver and clean even the tightest. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Wiper cleaning brush. The handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip while minimizes hand fatigue. It's very handy, allows for easy handling and convenient operation. The glass squeegee can go deep into the stubborn everywhere in the house. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Vacuum floor cleaner. The 4-in-1 wet and dry vacuum cleaner keeps your entire home sparkling clean. It's powerful for hard floor cleaning and versatile for vacuuming carpets, furniture, and all surfaces. Dual wet-dry vacuum features hot air drying technology. Place it on the charging base, press the self-cleaning button, and enjoy a brush that's cleaned within 30 minutes at 131 degrees Fahrenheit. No more bad smells. With an enhanced dual-edged cleaning brush, the dual vacuum mop tackles hard-to-reach areas, baseboards, and corners effectively. Put the dual vacuum on the base, press the button, and let it thoroughly rinse the brush. It rotates forward and backward until it's clean. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spin mop with bucket. Features 360-degree rotatable mop head and adjustable handle. Flexible 360-degree spin mop head makes it easier to clean sofas, beds and corners without moving the furniture. And the telescoping handle from 102 cm to 128 cm gives you customized comfort and control to avoid a serious sore back. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dust broom. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Squeegee wiper. Unique angle design for reaching nooks and corners, enables a swift pull action. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Window wiper. It is perfect for cleaning windows, car windows, sliding doors, shower partitions, double glass surface. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Microfiber flat mop. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Microfiber flat mop. Provides excellent cleaning performance by trapping dirt, dust, and debris efficiently. Easily reaches under furniture and into tight corners for thorough cleaning. Eco-friendly microfiber pads can be reused and washed. Ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, reducing strain on your back and arms. Mop is safe to use on hardwood, tile, laminate, and other surfaces without scratching. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cleaning brush. The electric spin scrubber is a cordless cleaning brush which helps to clean bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves effortlessly and quickly. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Electric spin scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. The internal motor system of the electric spin scrubber has two speeds. Low speed -250 rpm and high speed -350 rpm. The default speed is low when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. The dual speed design allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, eliminating the traditional manual cleaning and saving you valuable time. Battery capacity up to 2500 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. The scrubber brush head built for long-lasting performance. The highly sealed design makes it also resistant to splashing water and can be used under wet condition. The bristles won't scratch your bathtub. The spin scrubber, with adjustable handle, allows you to deep clean even hard-to-reach places. Electric cleaning brush can be used for whole house cleaning, saving time and effort. This versatility spin brush empowers you to tackle any cleaning challenge effortlessly, saving both time and energy. It is comfortable for users to hold, and easier to use for longer periods of time, because it is lightweight. Product link is given in the 20th link.